हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में।
In today's video, we will write short biography on Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar was born on 28 September 1929 in Indore in Madhya Pradesh at India. She noted for her distinctive voice and a vocal range that extended more than 3 decades. Her career spanned nearly 6 decades and she recorded songs for the soundtracks of more than 2000 Indian films. Mangeshkar's father, Dinanath Mangeshkar, was a noted Marathi stage personality, popularly known as Master Dinanath. Lata, who was eldest of 5 siblings, was introduced to music at an early age. She recorded her first song at the age of 13 for Vasant Joglekar Marathi film Kitty Hustle. Though her song did not make the final edit, Mangeshkar was trained from age 5 by her father, a disciple of Gwalior Gharana, a community of performers who share a distinctive musical style, and she was also tutored by masters such as Aman Ali Khan and Amanand Khan. As a teenager, she struggled to help support her family and to establish herself as a playback singer in the Hindi film industry of the 90s-40s. At a time when the profession was dominated by such divas as Shamshad Begum and Noor Jahan. After Mangeshkar recorded the hit Uthaye Ja Unke Sitam in Andaz, her destiny was sealed. From the point on, she voiced the musical part of for every major leading lady, representing every generation of Hindi cinema, from Nargis and Wahida Rahman to Madhuri Dixit and Preeti Zinta. Music directors such as Naushad Ali, Madan Mohan and S.D. Burman composed tunes specifically to exploit the potential of her wide-ranging soprano. Mangeshkar's singing contributed a great deal to the commercial success of such films as Mahal 1949, Barsat 1949, Satyam Shivam Sundaram 1978 and Maine Pyar Kiya 1989. Notable among her concert performance was her wartime rendition of the Poet Pradeep patriotic song Mere Watan Ke Logo, which moved Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru to tears. In 1991, Mangeshkar was credited with having made 30,000 solo, duet and chorus-backed song recording in 14 Indian languages between 1948 to 1987. She won 4 Filmfare Awards. Filmfare is a noted Indian film magazine for her song Aaja Re Pardesi from the film Madhumati 1958, for कहीं दीप जले कहीं दिल from 20 साल बाद 1962, for तुम्हें मेरे मंदिर from the film खानदान 1965 and for आप मुझे अच्छे लगने लगे from the film जीने की राह 1969. She was awarded the Padma Vibhushan, one of the highest civilian honor, in 1999, and 2 years later she became only the second film celebrity. The first was Satyajit Ray in 1992 to receive Bharat Ratna 2001, India's highest civilian award for performance of the highest order in any field. Mangeshkar's sister Asha Bhosle was also a noted singer.
अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर.